Good afternoon, back in the garage. Like I said in the last video, we're gonna be doing the core support. Got my buddy Brock off camera here. He's not ready to be on the camera yet. He's gonna be doing the welding because like I said, I'm not good enough to do it. So we have already got it ready to go. Everything's clamped up. We're gonna do a couple tack welds to make sure everything lines up. It looks like it should, but we want to put the header panel on it and make sure the hood lines up with the bumper before we weld it in solid. So put you guys on a tripod and see how it goes. All right, getting ready to tack weld this side, that side, and I ain't looking at it because I don't have a helmet. Everything fits. We're gonna take it all back apart, and Brock here is gonna finish welding the entire core support up. See how your welds are, Brock. They're alright. I couldn't do better. I think they're pretty good. Yeah. Alright, now on to this side. Look at that. Well, one more part to do, and that is to put this bracket here in that general vicinity. The welds look pretty good. I'm pretty impressed. They're kind of dirty, but we are welding with flux core, and it's not the prettiest. We'll clean those up, give this whole core support a nice coat of paint to match the color of the car, and I think it looked pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, it's sturdy, and it's straight, and it's not crumpled, and looks 1,000 times better than the mess that I cut out, which, here's a piece of it. Yeah, I mean, it was great shape, fantastic. But all right, let's get this last little piece done and move on. Alright, it's now the next day. We're going to finish up this video by cleaning up the welds. It is extremely sturdy. Brock did a killer job. Couldn't ask for a better result. So we're going to spend some time doing that, wrap this up, and probably get ready to start the next video. Alright, we're going to put some primer on the core support, and then we're going to paint it. It's going to match the car. It's going to look pretty good. I don't need this to be absolutely perfect because obviously 90% of this piece is going to be hidden anyway, but it's got to look a little bit better than this, right? So, here we go. So that was a good long couple days, but we got a ton accomplished. As you can see, she looks good. Primed it, painted it with the color match of the car. I know pretty much none of this is going to be visible, but you know, if you're going to go all this effort and work to cut, weld, build, all that good stuff, you may as well try to do your best to make the job look good, right? I'm tired. Got a lot done. Got a lot to go. Look forward to the next episode. We will have our first start. Really looking forward to that. Probably gonna start working on that tomorrow. Not sure when the video will be done, but part 9 of this Mustang build, you will hear the first start. I left the mid pipe unhooked because, you know, it's cammed. What better than to hear a nice cammed engine on open headers? It's pretty exciting. If you like this video, please click that like button. If you have not already subscribed, I greatly encourage you to do so. Every little bit helps. Keep in mind, next video, we're gonna hear this baby run. Until next time, thank you guys.